Hello, sports fans. Ralph Luck here. Welcome to RV'ing with Luck. Today is a fun day. I'm at the cardiologist and, well, they're building and here to do a stress test. So they're going to do a little IV and some chemicals on me, throw me on the treadmill, and stress me out to see my heart reaction, I guess, and changes. And then give those results to the cardiologist as well. So I'll try to bring you along as much as I can. Not much to see here in this room, just going to get the IV going. And then I think the next room for the treadmill. So here to have my stress test. They've got an IV start to put an injection in to, I guess, see the chemicals going through my heart. And my guess is they put me on a treadmill and have me walk and run until my heart gets up and gets stressed. So here we go. All righty. So let me catch you up. I'm currently back at the RV. Man, traffic is heavy out here now. Years ago, when I lived out here back in 2008 up till 2009, beginning of 2009, it was growing, but man, it is boomed. But I knew that. That's why I moved out here. That's why I bought property out here. And, well, life happens and things change. Anyway, I'm back at the RV. What they did in my stress test is something new. And when I say new, the last time I had one done was 15 years ago. So you saw that they give you a little IV setup in your arm, in a vein somewhere. They put in a chemical so they can see everything good. They sit you in a chair and you spend about a half an hour getting images taken. That's the before pictures. They put you on the treadmill and they have to get your heart rate up from your resting heart rate to a certain point. And for me, being out of shape, fat, and having AFib, I'll blame it on the AFib, not so much the out of shape and fat. And old. But they were able to do that in like under 10 minutes. 15 years ago when I was younger and in shape, oh my gosh, I was on there for 30 minutes to get my heart rate up to where they needed it. But anyway, today was pretty quick and painless on the treadmill. Then they bring you back in, and my blood pressure was great before and after, which is good because I had been on medications like 2 years ago for my blood pressure for several years as I gained that weight. Don't gain weight, people. It affects your whole body. So I'm trying to be active. It's part of what I say now. I'm telling myself these things. Be positive, be nice, and be active. But then you go in for the after picture, and they take images. And I did confirm with the tech there that they're looking for blockages, that those images could tell of any kind of blockages and things. I don't know if they can detect a clot. Hopefully the blood thinner I'm on helps reduce. It definitely reduces the chance of getting a clot, but I don't know what it does if you have an existing clot there. Because if you have a clot, they shock me in a week or so, and the clot goes to my brain again, then that's a stroke. But I can't worry about things that are in God's hands. Those are out of my hands. I could only take a step forward today to do what I could do. So made it back. Went to another Circle K for a Diet Coke because I couldn't have caffeine for 24 hours before this. And that fountain soda machine was down. Man, that's two in like, 2 or 3 days? But I bought the highly expensive bottled Diet Coke to get some in. When they switched subjects, when they did my driver's side door, they didn't put in the door properly. The 3 screws that hold that door in place, here's the door panel in place, were kind of stripped out. So I had to have washers on those screws to hold them tightly in place. They didn't put the washers back. They're not there. One of the washers is actually on the floor of my driver's side. You shouldn't need washers if the door is in mint condition, but it's not. So today now I'm going to do what I know needs to be done and put the washers back in, tighten up that door frame because the frame is coming loose, not letting the door close all the way. You know what Wilhelm Automotive told me? Just duct tape up the door. Anyway, let's go let Ninja out. And there she is. Open the door, call her in. She comes out. She's got to be out. I didn't let her out this morning because who knows when she'll come back. And we did sleep in since my appointment wasn't until 1. And midday she normally doesn't go out. But it's about 3:34 now. That medical appointment took several hours. Stretch it out, always stretch. So let's get to that door. So here's the bottom of the door. There's a missing screw there. That one has no washer on it. And that one has like a nut that I have no idea where it came from. And it's not even on there tight. So this is moving a lot. Let's fix it. Okay, screw with washer in, screw with washer in, screw with washer in. The door is in place. Now let me tape up the top. It's always good to have a cheap tarp to throw down when you have to work in gravel or dirt. And this doubles as a windbreak or other things if need be. So let's get to the door. So here's the before looking part of the door. And here's the after with the lovely black duct tape. So there's another day in the books. Got my stress test done. Got the door as repaired as I could get it done. Now, in a couple of days, I go and will get a heart monitor to wear for 7 days. But that's for another video. That's a future Ralph problem. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, please smash that thumbs up button. It really helps. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. We'd love to have you as part of the community. You get alerts anytime I post a new video. Go out there, be positive, be nice, be active.